your topic wisely. You will have a roadmap to guide your research process.
Dive into books, academic journals, reputed website, any other credible sources which is related. Start with a simple keyword. Search related to your topic. Use
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive into a topic that will take your research skills to the next level. Yes, whether you're a student, professional, or simply someone looking for exploring a new idea, this video will help you. First thing is choosing your topic. Choose your topic wisely. Okay, your topic is going to set the foundation for your entire research paper, so it is essential to pick something that interests you, right, and aligns with the objective of your assignment or research goals if you have. How do you define your topic? Before diving into your topic or in depth of your research, it is essential to have a clear understanding of what you're exploring. Take some time, okay, brainstorm your ideas, reflect on your interest, have your options, and consider the scope of your project, okay? Whether it is a specific question which you want to answer or broaden the theme of your investigation, defining your topic. This is going to set the stage for your entire research project. Establish your research goals and objectives. You're just kind of trying to answer some of the questions like what do you actually hope to achieve with your research projects? Are you aiming to uncover some kind of new knowledge or solve the specific problem or contribute to the existing scholarship? By clearly defining your goals and objectives, you will have a roadmap to guide your research process and keep you focused throughout the journey. Okay. Now it's time for you to develop a research plan and timeline. Okay. With your topic defined and your goals are set now, right? It's time for you to map out your research plan. Create a timeline. If you want a timeline format, please refer to our description link. Create a timeline with the clear milestone and the deadlines to help you stay organized and accountable. Break down your research project into manageable tasks. Okay, allot the time for data collection, analysis, and writing, and be realistic about your schedules. Okay.
now is that your topic is ready. Timeline is done. Now it's time to gather relevant information. Dive into books, academic journals, reputed website, any other credible sources which is related to your academic source. Just gather data, facts, insights that support your paper's arguments and claims. Remember to take detailed notes and organize your findings for easy reference later on. Is it crucial to explore different sources when you're writing a research paper? Let me break it down for you. Different sources, in essence, academic journals, books, reputed websites, offers you different perspective and insight on your topic. By exploring these diverse sources, you actually gain a comprehensive understanding of a subject matter, which is kind of allowing you to present a well-rounded arguments in your paper.
What about the credibility and reliability of the sources which you are going to refer from the academic database? These academic journals, books are actually peer reviewed, meaning they undergo a rigorous process. They are evaluated by some experts in the field. You know, these kind of process ensures the reliability of the information presented in your paper. Similarly, there are some websites also which are reputable websites backed by some authoritative institutions and organizations which are trustworthy source of information, which you will find it in these academic database. Are these sources going to help me in supporting my arguments? Yes. When writing a research paper, it is crucial to support your arguments with some strong evidences. Actually, these books and journals and reputed websites which you find it in academic database are going to provide you some valuable evidences and going to strengthen your clients and validity of the findings which you have come up with. By drawing from diverse sources, you're kind of demonstrating the depth and validity of your research. All these different sources are actually going to offer you various degree of timelines and relevances. If you see academic journal are often publish the latest research findings, and books are kind of in-depth analysis and going to give you the historical context. Reputable websites may offer you real time updates and current perspective on the ongoing developments. So, while exploring all these mix of sources, you ensure that your paper is up to date and reflect on the latest knowledge in the field. The reason why I'm telling you to explore different sources of academic journals, book, reputed websites is crucial for writing a research paper. By tapping into the various perspective, you enrich your understanding on your research, okay, enhance the credibility of your work, and you're going to present a well supported arguments. All these you'll find it in academic database. What is academic database? Academic database is a digital platform offering access to a scholarly article, journal, paper, conference proceeding, or any other academic resources. These databases are crucial for students, educators, and researchers alike, because they are kind of provide you reliable peer reviewed information. Getting access to these academic database can vary. If you are part of any educational institution, you're likely to have a free access through your library websites. Simply log in with your student ID or a faculty ID. For those outside academia, check if you have some local library provides the access, or explore open access database like Google Scholar or Jester.
Once you're in, how do you find what you need? First, start with a simple keyword. Search related to your topic. Use filters to narrow down results by publication date, document type, or subject area, whichever you are. Remember, refining your research, refining your search term will be key to find the relevant articles, most relevant articles. Here are some best practices. Don't overlook the advanced search options to combine different keywords. Actually, you can use Boolean operators like and or not. And then you can save your searches or set up alerts for new publication in your field and take advantage of built-in citation tools to keep track of your sources. First of what are these Boolean operators now? These are actually simple words and or not, but powerful tools that help you refine your search results. They work by combining or excluding keywords in a way that narrow down exactly what you're looking for. Let's break each one down. First, and. This and is tightening your search by linking terms that must all be present in your result. For example, if you're searching the effect of diet and exercises on health, you'll only get the result that mention both the terms, giving your focused result. On the other hand, or helps you broaden your search. It is actually perfect when you are kind of open to related topics. Okay, resulting for diet or exercise will fetch the articles that mention either one or both. This will increase the volume of potential data. Then here is the operator not, which actually is going to exclude the terms you don't want. Say you are interested in the role of technology in education, but not smartphones. Now, what you can do is just search for technology in education, but not on the smartphone. You just give technology in education, adding a not operator, smartphones, to exclude those from your results. Ready to go beyond? Boolean is just a beginning. You can try nesting your term with or and, education or teaching and technology. This will give you the result which you're exactly looking for, which allows you to specify how close your terms should be to each other in the text. Apart from Boolean operator, there is something called truncation. This will take your research skill to the next level. Truncation is actually going to help you find variation of words. First thing first, what is truncation? Truncation is a search technique that allows you to find variation of words by using symbol, usually asterisk, okay, to represent one or more characters at the end of a word. Let me give you an example. Say you are searching for a topic of education again, and you want to find the information or different forms of teaching. Okay, just in case you are just looking for all the variation, such as teach, teacher, teaching, and so on, instead of typing out each variation individually, you can simply use this truncation asterisk at end of the word teach. By typing teach and asterisk at the end in your search bar, you are telling the search engine to find any other word that starts with teach. Okay, may have additional letters to that. Okay, this way you are kind of capturing all the variation of a word with just one simple way. You can try this also. The beauty of truncation is that not only this saves your time, but also ensures you don't miss out any relevant information. In particular, it is very useful when dealing with words when you have multiple ending or variations. This actually allows you to cast a wider net in your search. So, next time when you're conducting a research and want to find variation of words, remember to use truncation using asterisk. I hope this will help you navigate your research journey more confidently. If you have any question or need further clarification, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow mates. Okay? Thank you.